Anna, would you like to come up onto the stage, please? This beautiful girl is the owner of Sense of Touch, and she's a wonderful supporter of Women's Forum. Now, tell us what the prizes are, Anna.
Okay, what's in store today is the grand prize coming from a Sense of Touch. Before that, Liz, let me introduce Sense of Touch for you who don't know us. Well, Sense of Touch has been a spa for 5 years now, and we've won an award recently, the Best Day Spa in Asia, the Asia Spa Wellness Award, and we have also won spa way back in 2005, Best Day Spa Asia for Spa Asia Crystal Awards, and we have been awarded one of the 100 day spas in Asia for the ultimate spa guide.
Thank you, Anya. Ladies, we are going to draw the grand prize now, which is valued at $8,000. And Anna, would you like to draw the winner? Congratulations! And finally, we have two more prizes. We have the Santa Fe Junk Prize. So, the winner is Marjana. Would you like to draw the prize?
Okay. And the winner is Faith Kutzer.
Faith Kutzer. Congratulations. So this is perfect. You can invite all your colleagues to attend. And finally, we have a yoga outfit from Pure Fitness. And the lucky winner is Marjana.
Yes. No name. Jay Garson.
Congratulations, Janet. Thank you.